Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I built this a while back. Board. All it is all scrap I had laying around, wood and metal, that's all it is. So I'll build out of paint and the casters. That's why I got money in that. I still gotta get some slides for the drawer, but ain't been able to do much right now. My third month spinal fusion, so drawer. No sockets that I just threw in there. My phone loose and stuff. That's no Napa. I had that for years. That's just like a magnet. Yeah, I still got 8 sliders for the drawer. Yeah, she rolls around. I like that diamond plate on top. Handle it on the side. All scrap material I had laying around. They're gonna make me a tool cart. It is about 15, 36. About 30. Okay, come in handy. Work on something, need to place layer tools or whatever, just throw it on top. I got a workbench over there too. It rolls pretty good. Enjoy your day, everyone.